you want for people to look at photos of you in 6 months and generally not recognize you, this video is for you. I'm not talking about changing who you are completely, but becoming the absolute best version of yourself, both inside and out. These are the exact steps I would follow if I had to start my glow up from scratch. Yes, I am sitting on the floor. Please just ignore that, guys. I'm in Spain right now. I'm on holidays. I had nowhere else to film this. I don't have a tripod. I should probably get one. But without further ado, just ignore that and let's continue on in the video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Noily. I am your new favorite content creator, or I wish at least I could be. I am your glow up tips girly. I post a bunch of videos speaking on how to glow up, and I pretty much have videos on a bunch of topics. But today we are talking about how to actually start your glow up in an organized way. So let's just get right into the video. Make sure you follow my social media to stay tuned, just for us to stay connected. I will also answer all of your questions. If you ask anything in the comments, I will most likely reply. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Step 1. Plan your glow up. Stop trying to improve everything at once. Grab a notebook and ask yourself the next questions. Who am I? Who do I want to become? What is my biggest goal? And make sure to rank every area from most important to least important. You need to focus on one thing at a time instead of overwhelming yourself. And the way to do that is to make sure you have clear in your mind who you want to be. Why am I glowing up exactly? Because a plan is what's actually gonna turn a wish into actual and real progress. Asking yourself these questions will make sure you know yourself. Where am I standing right now, and where do I want to stand in the future? Step 2, create a vision. How do you create a vision exactly? Well, I would create a Pinterest board. It sounds really simple, but this really helps a lot. Make sure you include your dream style, hair inspiration, makeup, fitness, lifestyle, mindset, and habits, and just a general idea of what you want your glow up to look like. If you can, I would definitely recommend you print it out and put it somewhere in your room that you will see every single day, because your brain works towards what it sees constantly. This is the way I generally started my glow up, inside and out. I really wanted to have like some improvement in my life, because every year you have New Year's resolutions, but you don't really achieve them. So I really wanted to achieve them that time, and when I created a vision board, I was able to achieve every single one of them. Step 3. Find the biggest thing that's holding you back. You must ask yourself, if I could only change one thing, what would really make the biggest difference? For example, if it's your hair, you must learn about hair health. If it's your acne, visit a dermatologist or create a good skincare routine. If it's your teeth, improve your smile. I know it's hard. Fear is what's holding you back. I promise you, I was so scared of the dentist, and I got Invisalign to get my teeth fixed, and honestly, it's one of the best decisions I've made, because now I am so confident in my smile. I know it seems scary and awful, but I promise you the outcome is worth it. If it's fitness, you must build strength and daily habits such as walking, fueling your body well enough with healthy things, mostly whole foods, and do some kind of exercise. Well, I am so bad at exercise. I'm so bad at any games and stuff like that. So I decided to start going to the gym. I started going to the gym 2 to 3 times a week, which isn't a lot really. And honestly, nowadays, if I don't go to the gym, I actually feel bad. I feel like I am lacking and I need to fulfill the promise that I made myself. It truly makes you realize once you start exercising that you need it to feel stronger. And if it's fashion, make sure you create a wardrobe that will actually suit you. I used to have this issue too, actually. I didn't know how to dress and what looked good on me until I started looking into what fits looked good on me, and not just trends or single pieces. Think, what pants can I wear this with? Will this look good? Does this actually suit my body? Or am I just buying it because it's trendy? Fix the biggest thing first, because it will give you the biggest confidence boost. Step 4. I think this is so important. You must stop living for other people's validation. Your glow up should really not be for someone else or to get a reaction from someone. I think the way to do this is to learn being alone. If you feel pushed into glowing up for a boy or to prove yourself to your friends, so I would recommend spending some time alone. Learn what is actually good for you. What do I want? Stop chasing attention from others and learn how to build confidence from within. The moment you stop needing validation is usually when you become most attractive, because you're not being ridiculous by trying to prove yourself to someone who doesn't actually care. Step 5. research instead of randomly guessing. I think this is actually so important. I definitely recommend you watch videos, read articles, save tips, take notes, and learn why things work instead of blindly copying trends. I know this all sounds extremely overwhelming. And honestly, when I first started my glow up, I was so overwhelmed looking into hundreds of videos. And it's hard because everyone nowadays says something different online, which was so overwhelming. That's actually why I created the Soft Girl philosophy. It's basically everything I've learned organized into one simple guide. And it is literally step by step. So you don't have to spend months figuring out what actually works. If you're serious about glowing up, this will genuinely save you so much time. The link will be up here and also down below in the description if you want to check it out. Step 6, build habits instead of waiting for motivation. Motivation is not reliable at all. Habits really are. Start with simple habits like drinking more water, sleeping enough, walking daily, move your body, follow a morning and night routine. And I have the perfect night and morning routine video on my channel for you to check it out. And make sure you stay consistent because as I've mentioned so many times before, consistency will beat perfection every time. Step 7, upgrade your style. You don't need loads of money to do this. Wear clothes that truly fit you properly. Find colors that suit you. And make sure you keep your clothes clean and well styled. Also, build a wardrobe you actually love. Don't try to copy someone else. You don't know if a celebrity is spending a bunch of money on a stylist, which they most likely are. Make sure you find your own personality and reflect your own personality in your clothing. If you want to look more luxurious and expensive, I have a video on that. Step 8, don't ignore the small details. These generally make a biggest difference than anyone will realize. Things such as keeping your hair neat, your nails clean, your skin very moisturized, soft lips, having good hygiene, neat eyebrows, and good posture. All of those things matter the most because those small things all together create one huge transformation. Step 9, protect your peace. Stop comparing yourself online. If it's not to take some bit of inspiration and it's generally just making you insecure, unfollow those people. Make sure you spend less time scrolling because that will just make you compare yourself more. Spend more time improving instead. And last step, trust the process. My light died, but I'm just gonna continue like this. Stop expecting overnight results because that is just not gonna happen. I've seen people talk about going to the gym for a week and be mad because they don't see results yet. Results from the gym are not gonna come in a week. And if you make good research, you're going to realize why. A real glow up that lasts takes more than 1 week. It'll take up months. And every time you think that you're at your peak, you're gonna realize that you can actually improve way more. Every single small improvement compounds. One day you'll randomly come across an old photo of yourself and realize how far you've come. If you genuinely commit to these steps, I promise you'll be amazed at how much you can change in just a few months. And if you want the complete roadmap instead of trying to figure it out, click the link in the description and I'll definitely help you with that. If you guys have any suggestions on another guide that I should make or another video, make sure you comment. And for your glow up to start for real, comment down below, I am my best self, to claim it. And make sure you manifest it. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!